Norton Manor. It's basically all Aston Martins today, I believe. Absolutely gorgeous.
It's very pretty, and I'm not talking about you, Brad.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiff and you join me once again at Goodwood, although we've not started here. Been on a route all the way from Winchester to Goodwood and now heading even further east, but just finding all the country lanes we can. In a convoy with some really cool cars today. I need to buy myself an Aston Martin because we've got 2 Vantage convertibles, 2 Vanquishes, and they all look and sound fantastic. I'm just going to take you along for the ride. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and more importantly, I hope you can hear all of the cars as well as I can, because we've got a Vantage with a Quicksilver exhaust, which is just started in front of me and sounds absolutely fantastic. Anyway, enjoy the ride. So while we're parked up at Goodwood then, here's our convoy. All Aston Martins today basically. 2 Vanquishes, 2 Vantage convertibles, very low Porsche. Back with the pack again, and we've now got the McLaren GT ahead of us. Got to say the GT looks way more compact than you expect when you see it in pictures. It's roughly the size of the GT4, yet it looks like a big supercar when you look at the styling. Very, very cool bit of kit. Riding at Anthony James cars. and it's time to go. Quick update about what's coming next on the channel. We were supposed to be doing Prescott Hill Climb on Sunday the 7th, which is tomorrow, but unfortunately their car park is flooded, so they've had to cancel the event. Their car park is a field at the bottom of a hill after torrential rain. So there we go. So Prescott isn't happening until the 19th of May, I think it is. You can buy your tickets through Piston Heads or directly through the Prescott website. I did Prescott last year in the Abarth, and I'm going to be doing it this year in the Jag, just to see the difference between a light car that handles really well on a twisty circuit and a car with a bit more power to put down, but probably, you know, a lot more weight. So we'll see how it handles in the twisty stuff. I may need to get new tyres before that because I have shredded them on some previous track days. So yeah, next time you'll see me is probably going to be Salone Privé in London, and I'm going to be taking part in a colour parade in a black car. So we'll see how that goes, or if I don't know, wrap it in the next week or something. But yeah, I'll see you then. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao. You guys can hear all these other cars.
Radio check.
Importantly,
Radio check, all clear.
Handley
Radio
just
check,
in front of
Andy
me.
Cohen.
Shut up, man. That's it. Fuck off.